Hi, in this video I want to show you how to apply knurling to a cylindrical body. In this instance I drew a handle that's 5 inches long and I applied knurling to the last 2 inches. So to begin, I'll start a new drawing of a part. I'll draw a handle by drawing a sketch on the front plane. I'll dimension it. 1/2 inch radius for a large diameter, a 3-inch shoulder, and a 1/4 inch radius, so small diameter, and the overall length, we'll make it 5 inches. Next I want to revolve this sketch about the center axis. So here's the handle. So to begin, we basically want to draw a path for the cutting tool and the cutting tool itself. So I'll draw a sketch on this face. I'll simply convert this face into a circle. Next I want to draw a helix. This has it memorized from the last drawing I did, but you want to define it by the height and revolution. Specify the height, in this instance 2 inches, and we'll give it a 1/4 inch revolution at a start angle of 135 degrees. We click OK. If your path is not showing, you want to select Show Curves. Next we want to draw the cutting tool. We'll draw another sketch on this face. The starting of the helix is here. So I'm going to draw a square, dimension it to be a 32nd of an inch by 32nd of an inch. That's the depth of the cut of the cutting tool. Next I want to add a relation to the center of this square to this curve by a pierce. I'm done with that sketch. Next I'm going to sweep this cutting tool about this curve using the sweep cut command. The contour is this sketch, the path is this helix. So that's the start of a knurling. We could now hide that curve You no longer need it for now. Next thing I want to do is array this cut around the entire perimeter using the circular pattern command. Array, circular pattern, direction is this face, 360 degrees. We'll draw 25 instances of it, and the features that we want to array is a sweep cut. So that's the first part. The second part is we basically want to mirror these cut features, and to do that we'll draw a plane 1 inch away from this face. And we want to show the plane. We select mirror. The mirror face plane is this plane, and the features we want to mirror is a circular pattern. And we select OK. And we can hide that plane now. So pretty much that's a knurling of the part. Next we're going to add a chamfer at the end. To do that we're going to do another sweep cut. So we'll draw a sketch. On a front plane. Draw a center line through the part. I'm going to delete this coincidence name for a second. We'll dimension it at a 1/16 of an inch by a 1/16 of an inch. And we need to specify the distance from the center line. This is a 1/2 inch radius, so we make it 5 thousandths larger. We need to make it larger because if you don't and you want to add a relation to this vertical line, it won't come out right. So we'll specify this that distance 5 thousandths larger than the radius. Click OK. Next thing lastly we want to do a revolve cut of this sketch 360 degrees about this center axis. Hit OK. And there you have it, basically a knurled handle. Thanks for watching.